Now suppose this is in the polar form, okay, and you want to convert this into a rectangular form. So I told you, in whichever form you want to convert, you have to write that. Press on first, then press shift second, then press minus for the rectangular form. Okay, rec bracket 7.2 comma 56.3. Tell me what is the answer? 7.2 comma 56.3. Answer is 3.9, and we can say approximately it is 4, right? And y is 5.99, but that is approximately 6. That is 4 plus j6. Same आ गया. So rectangular to polar, polar to rectangle, you should know how to convert it.